So an update on a project that I've been working on. It's going to be a substation or a power station for a power plant. And I'm going to give you a step-by-step, well, it's going to be a long video, step-by-step description on how I made this. And basically, the frame or the cage was made out of 5/16 styrene I-beams by Plastruct. I guess that's how you pronounce it. Okay. And then had some supports made with 3/16 I-beams. Okay, that's one's broken. Okay, so basically that is right there. Okay, and those planks were made by 1/16 by 3/4 basswood. The base was basically two pieces of plywood that I had screwed and glued together, and then I put a little bit of a cinder block border around it. Okay, and the supports, again 5/16. Structure's base is roughly around 12 by 9. Okay, get a quick measurement how high this is. So it's roughly 6.5 inches high. Okay. Those transformers are commercially available. They're made by K-Line. Okay, so I modified just a little bit. I took those eye hooks out of the backs where you see the holes, and I painted the insulators brown. Okay, and these are the little transformers. Okay, those transformers were commercially available by this company here, and as you can see, this is how they came. But I believe he's no longer in business. I haven't seen him set up at York for a couple of shows now. Okay. What I did was I also took these, I modified them a little bit. I took these beads, these cylindrical beads that are available at Michael's Crafts. Believe it or not, everything that goes on this substation is from Michael's Crafts. All the beads, insulator parts, etc. Okay, the insulators were made by, I took these nails, number 17 by 1. Okay, then again, this set of beads here is available commercially at Michael's. Okay, and they look like little UFOs. Okay, so basically you pressed 3 of those onto one nail. Okay, and that's basically the end product right there. And then I painted it with this brown that I got out of a military set by Testors. Not exactly sure the name of the brown, but it's the military color brown. Okay, then I painted them brown, and I fastened them inside the channel of the I-beam by using this here. This is 3/16 square. They fit perfectly in the channel. Okay, and I have those insulators set a half an inch apart. Okay, and the insulators that are hanging downwards off the beams were made by this. Okay, so when you cut the ends off your insulator, make sure it's at a height that it's not going to bottom out against the I-beam, or that balsa wood will not stick onto that I-beam. Okay, also what I found at Michael's are these wood spools. Okay, 5/8 by 3/4, and then I also got 3/4 by 1 inch. And these will again be made into transformers that I'm going to put around the layout. And they come pretty accurate to that size. I'll grab one here. I mean, it's pretty much dead on. And then I'll just use other beads to make the insulators on top of the transformer. Basically, it's pretty simple to put together. Let me just get some close-ups here so you can get some ideas on how to fasten these I-beams. Okay. It's my 3rd cup of coffee already. Okay, basically start stringing it up pretty soon. And if there are any questions, feel free to post a question on YouTube. Or there's a thread currently going on the O-Gauge Railroad forum under the scenery section. And I'm posted under Fat Boy. So any comments, questions on how I built this kit, again, feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching.